Set up Microsoft 365 for Business. Welcome to M365 Professional. Once you've signed up for Microsoft 365,
it's time to set things up so you get the full value from your subscription.
Let's take a look.
In the Admin Center Simplified view,
select the Setup
tab.
Here you'll find a task list that reflects the business goals you selected earlier. The first step, sign up for Microsoft 365 is already marked complete.
If you're new to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, watch a short video to learn about it.
The next step is to install Microsoft 365 apps on your device.
Select the task,
and Microsoft 365 is downloaded automatically.
Select
Open File. Wait for the installation to complete. Then close the windows.
Later on, your users will be able to install Microsoft 365 apps on their devices too. Next, select Add users to your organization. Enter a username and a username.
Choose password and notification options for your user. Enter the user's current email address so they receive their sign-in details and information on how to get started. Then select Add User.
To add more users, choose Add another user and repeat these steps.
When you're finished adding users, close the window.
Finally, select Set up email with a custom domain.
If you don't own a domain name for your business, you can get a new one that is free the first year. Or use a domain you already own. Watch a video to learn about the process for setting up your email with a custom domain.
Select Continue. Enter your domain name. Then Continue. You'll need to verify that you own your domain. This is done by adding a DNS record to your domain registrar. Once your domain is verified, you can update your username if you like. Then choose Update and Sign Out. In your browser, return to admin.microsoft.com. Select Use another account. Then sign in with your new email address and your same password.
To update the email addresses for your users, select the Users tab.
Choose a user. Select Manage Username and Email. Then Edit. Update the username if needed.
Open the Domains menu. Select your new domain.
Done. Save changes. Then close the window. Repeat this process for the rest of your users. To start using your new email addresses with Microsoft, you'll need to update your domain again. Select Show All. Settings. Domains. Choose your new domain. Then Continue
Setup.
Review the information and enter the additional required DNS records to your domain registrar. You may want to perform this step after hours, as this will disrupt email for anyone who's currently using your domain name. Your email is now set up. Select Done. You've finished setting up Microsoft 365. Return to the Setup tab to continue with optional setup steps.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.